Hey guys, it's Philip here. Today I'm giving you the top 10 reasons why you should move to Aiken, South Carolina. Stay tuned. Hey guys, do me a favor before we start the video. Hit the subscribe button and give me a like. I greatly appreciate it. And also send me a text to my phone number below. Thank y'all so much. Alright, so top 10 reasons why you should move to Aiken, South Carolina. Number 1, Aiken is the country and the city. It's the bomb. You can be on your farm, milking cows and cutting hay and stuff, and then you can go downtown and party. It's pretty much it. There's a lot more to it, but that's the fun. That's one of the most fun parts of Aiken for me. I've lived here all my life. Is that I can go to my private home. I can be on 10 acres or 55 acres, and I can drive 10 miles to downtown, and I'm right there hanging out with everybody, at different restaurants and places, and having a good time. Then I can go back home those 10 minutes away and relax and know I'm safe. And we'll get to that later, how Aiken is so safe and stuff. But that's one of my favorite parts. It's just I can be in the city and I can be in the country in this great little town that intertwines together. Reason number 2, great outdoor recreation and golf paradise. What you mean? Well, there's a place, it's a recreational center. It's in Aiken. It's called Odell Weeks. Lots of tennis courts. There's a park, a little walking track for you and your doggies and family. It's a lot of fun. I think they got 8 brand new pickleball courts. So if you're a pickleballer like I am, it's a fun place. Brand new painted courts. It's a lot of fun. I also play golf. Awesome. I played in high school, and they got golf courses out the wazoo. It's fun. Hounds Lake, Woodside, Aiken Golf Club, and if you kind of lean towards North Augusta and Augusta, there's even more. So it's golf haven for all you golfers out there. Number 3 is great community spirit. And what I mean by that is everybody treats you like family. It's Southern comfort, Southern hospitality, what you want to call it. It's a great place to live because people treat you nicely. Other tourist towns and places in South Carolina, I can't say the same because it's not that great of a town when nobody treats you very nicely and very well. But that's not the place here in Aiken. Aiken, everybody treats you like your kin and your loved one. And sometimes those strangers will invite you to dinner. Be cautious in your own realm with that. But everybody is nice here, and everybody wants to see you succeed and live a happy life, and we welcome you with open arms. Reason number 4, I'm going to state this plainly. Horses. We are an equestrian town, and it's been going on for a long time. A lot of rich history with the horse culture. And I like horseback riding. I don't do all the jumping and the sporting side of it and polo. But I've met some of the people, and they are wonderful. And they treat you very kindly, and they let you learn about the sport and the horses. They basically show you what it means to them and how great it is. It's just a wonderful place for the equestrian world, and people come from all over. And it's a wonderful atmosphere when people bring those events, and we hold those events, and people come from all over. And it's crazy to think how people talk about our little city of Aiken, and how we're one of the capitals in the world for hosting those events. It's a pretty cool atmosphere, and attend it someday. You'll see what I'm saying. Number 5, restaurants, the food. The food is miraculous. It's amazing. From downtown to wherever you're at in Aiken, it's hard to find a restaurant that is not delicious. I'm going to make a list here soon of all my favorite spots, and I'm going to give it to every one of my subscribers that subscribes to our email list. I'm going to give every single one of y'all my food, top 10, top 15, top 20. There's so many good restaurants to eat at. It's hard to put them in an order of you know, the best. There's just so many good places to eat. It's tough, but go on Google or just walk around. You'll find a good place to eat. Just give it a shot. So many good places. It's hard to miss something good to eat here in Aiken. Number 6. That's how many rings Michael Jordan had. The GOAT. No discussion. No other thought about it. There's nobody else. It's Michael Jordan. Don't even come at me. Anyway, number 6 is Aiken is a beautiful tourist town. And I went on a little bit about this earlier. But Aiken is a tourist town that's not. Because a lot of other tourist towns in Hilton Head, Myrtle Beach, different things like that, a lot of tourists come and trash the city. Or don't treat it very well. And, just are there to do whatever they intend to do and then, not come back, until next summer or next spring or whatever. Aiken's different. A lot of people that come from all over to come see Aiken know its rich history, from the winter colonies to the spring colonies and a lot of things that happened in the 19th century and decades before. Because Aiken has a rich history, these people want to know more about the history and feel like they are a part of the city as well, a part of the county and all together. So a lot of people don't want to act like morons. They want to know more about the richness and the history and kind of join into the family a little. Number 7, the job market here in Aiken is through the roof. It's awesome. It is truly the bomb right now for people that are seeking employment. So I will have to say that is don't be on the fence for moving here to Aiken or relocating here. Thinking the job market is not well and you're not going to get employment very soon, because you will. Right now, nurses are in high demand from Aiken to Augusta. It's through the roof. We need nurses bad, and they are paying nurses very, very well. Any kind of plant workers between Bridgestone, Generac, Hubble, we need workers, and they are paying them very, very well. And also education realm. If you're a teacher or in the education system, we need you, and Aiken is paying you very well, above average in some other places. So do not hold out. Believe in me when I say that the job market is awesome right now. Reason number 8, the housing opportunities. Me in the real estate business, I can tell you with great confidence that housing opportunities are great. It's not like 2020 no more, 2021, 22. You're not fighting for a house, and you're not fighting to give the highest bid and all that stuff. It's come down a little bit, and but there's also a lot more on the market for sale. There's also great rental opportunities, but I would say, you still have a great chance to get something to own yourself. So don't hold back. Don't be on the fence about that when moving to Aiken. Like I said in the first part of the video, there's the city part, of Aiken, and then there's the country part. Whatever vibe you want, there's market for it, and there's great opportunity for you and your family to move down here and get a home you really love and enjoy. Reason number 9. Not a lot of people want to talk about this, but Aiken has a low crime rate. And I don't know why people don't talk about this, because that's one of the main questions I get when people are moving from wherever they are. And they always ask, well, how's the crime rate? Is Aiken safe for me and my family? I can say assuredly to everyone that's listening to this video, Aiken is very safe. It's a lot better than a bunch of other towns and cities in South Carolina. Our folks have been doing an awesome job, keeping everybody safe and doing a wonderful work. You are safe in our community. You are safe, and everybody's with love and open arms. No doubt, Aiken is a safe place to live. Number 10, and again, these numbers, this rank was no particular order, but this is like one of my favorite aspects of living in Aiken, Number 10 is easy access to North Augusta and Augusta. So you living in Aiken, in the surrounding areas, you have access to North Augusta and Augusta. And we all know Augusta is in Georgia. There's a certain famous tournament that's going on next week. So, yeah, if you're one of those folks, check out Augusta, check out North Augusta and Aiken, especially Aiken, because, I mean, that's just the best place there is. And then, my opinion, North Augusta. And then Augusta is great as well. But there's all these different benefits of Aiken, North Augusta, and Augusta. And you live in Aiken, you are 15 minutes away from North Augusta, depending on where you're at. And then you are 20 to 25 minutes, depending on where you're at, away from Augusta. If you live somewhere in Aiken, Graniteville, things like that. So yeah, I mean, you got all these different benefactors. You got Top Golf and Riverwalk, something to do. You got the history of North Augusta and the downtown North Augusta, the rec centers, things like that. It's an awesome spot. The CSRA is what we call it. So I would rank that as number 10, but it's one of my favorites because, I mean, you just, in 15 to 25 minutes, you can go to two awesome towns, and still get back to your own home in half an hour at most, really. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. I always want to share that to my folks. Thank you guys for watching the video. I greatly appreciate it. It's my first video. I was kind of nervous, but thank y'all so much. Y'all can help me out. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel, comment some advice, good or bad. I don't mind. I'll take what you give me. But for real, give me a like, subscribe, let me know. Text me at this number, call me, I don't care. It's 803-514-3433. Thank you so much.